Welcome you all to Knowledgeist. In this session, we will be looking into another small saving instrument, that is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. This scheme is introduced in the year 2004 and is very popular among senior citizens because this fund gives a safe haven, a fixed income to senior citizens, and it gives a safe avenue for parking the retirement benefits. The hard-earned funds of senior citizens is parked here, and a fixed income, a higher rate of return is provided by this instrument. So let's begin this class, and we will be looking into how to invest in small savings scheme, what interest rate this offers, and what are these criterias and outlines of this scheme. Before that, I want to say thank you to more than 1000 subscribers, those who have subscribed us. If you have not yet subscribed us, then do it right now, and it will be motivating us. We have also launched a book on banking laws. Do check out it in the links in description. It will be helping you preparing for any bank interview or written test for that matter. Let's begin the session on Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. This scheme is applicable for citizens above 60 years of age. This is the age when citizens are categorized as senior citizens, and all senior citizens are eligible to apply to get this account after attaining the age of 60. Okay, but there are certain criteria that people above 55 years are also eligible to open this account, and this condition comes when people take early retirement from their service, or they take VRS, voluntary retirement, from their service, and they are opening this account from the funds that they are getting out of their retirement benefits. Whatever they are getting as a retirement benefit from their service, that amount they will be eligible to invest only that amount, and subject to 1 month of their cessation from service. That means if somebody is retiring before 60 and not before 55 years of age, he is eligible to open this account, subject to he will invest the retirement benefit fund, whatever he is getting from his service, plus he will be investing within 1 month of retiring from his service, or within 1 month of cessation from service. Okay, so this is the basic criteria, the two ways one person can open the account. First one is attaining age of 60 or attaining age of 55, subject to yearly retirement, and within the first month of retirement he is investing the retirement benefit amount. Okay, the hard earned money of senior citizens are safe in this instrument, and it also attracts a higher rate of interest. Okay, there are few who cannot invest in NRIs, in SCSS. Let's see who are they. As we have seen in Kisan Vikas Patra in our last edition, we saw it that NRIs, HUFs cannot invest, and trusts can invest in KVPs, but here NRIs, PIOs and HUFs cannot invest. Okay, trust can never be senior citizens, so there is no question of mentioning trust here. So NRI, PIO, Hindu undivided families cannot invest here, and this account can jointly be opened, but only with the spouse, only with the husband or with the wife. Okay, the current rate of interest that is being offered through this scheme is 7.4%. It is for the first quarter of 2021, so it will change quarterly, and the interest rate in this scheme is compounded annually, and it is revised quarterly by Government of India, and it also attracts a tax exemption under Income Tax Act section 80 subsection C, and it can be called a tax saving instrument as well. Okay, it's a popular tax saving instrument for senior citizens. Minimum deposit of rupees 1000 is let's see what is the minimum and maximum deposit criteria. Minimum is being 1000 and multiples of 1000 thereafter, and the maximum amount is rupees 15 lakhs, or the amount whatever somebody has received from his retirement benefit, whichever is lower. Okay, the maturity period for small savings senior citizen savings scheme is 5 years, and thereafter a 3 years extension can be taken. So that means total 8 years of tenure can be taken in this savings scheme, but 5 years being mandatory and 3 years is optional. If the applicant want to extend, then only it will be extended. Quarterly payout option is available, so it gives a steady income to the senior citizen. That's why there is also a quarterly payout option is available. That means whatever interest the applicant will earn can be credited to his savings account quarterly, so that he could meet his daily expenses. And in this scheme, cash deposit is allowed, but it is allowed up to 1 lakh. If it exceeds beyond 1 lakh, then one need to submit check or make a electronic transfer, right? So it is the highest amount where cash transaction can be made, and this amount is 1 lakh. Premature withdrawal. Let's see what are the premature withdrawal rules in case of senior citizen savings scheme. There is no withdrawal allowed in the first year, and after first year withdrawals are allowed. But if it is closed before 2 years, then it will attract 1.5% of penalty of the deposit amount, 1.5% of deposit amount as penalty. Okay, if it is closed after 2 years, the penalty will be 1%. Okay, in case of extension, there will be no penalty after 1 year, right? So this is binding in nature. Pre-closure is harassed in this scheme. You can take quarterly payout. Why pre-closure is not allowed? This is just retirement benefit fund, and the more time this citizen remains invested in this account, he will remain benefited. There are cases where family members pursue the senior citizens to withdraw the amount, and they use that amount, and again they don't care about families. So for that, this pre-closure is harassed, and there is a high penalty. 1.5% of entire amount is charged if it is closed before 2 years, and after 2 years it is 1% of total deposit amount. Okay, again in extended account, after 1 year, if customer wants to pre-close, then it will attract to no penalty. Okay, so that's all in this edition. I would request you to subscribe us, and there are books available for download on banking laws that is helping many people to prepare for banking exams. So do download it and do subscribe. Thank you, friends. Thank you.